Hello, and welcome to Forgotten Tech. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the CueCat barcode scanner. The CueCat was a cat-shaped handheld barcode reader that was given away for free starting in 2000 by the now-defunct Digital Convergence Corporation and manufactured by vendors Radio Shack. The CueCat was named Q for the unique barcode the device scanned, and Cat is a play on keystroke automation technology. It enabled a user to open a website by scanning a barcode called a Q, appearing in an article, catalog, or on other printed items. In this way, a user could be directed to a web page containing related information without having to enter a URL. The CueCat is widely described as a commercial failure, earning a spot on several worst invention lists. In 2002, the servers that handled the URL linking were shut down, marking the end, and making the CueCat a fancy paperweight. But the story doesn't end here. With the use of software, or for the more adventurous of us, hardware modding, the CueCat can be used to read almost any barcode, giving the device a second life as a low-cost scanner. I'll be using one of the programs today, called CatNip, that turns any barcode scanned into a line of text. Once launched, CatNip creates an icon in the taskbar. Once CatNip is running, all I have to do is open a text editor or a cataloging program and begin scanning barcodes. To demonstrate this, I'll be using Star Office and scanning a couple of barcodes. Once a barcode is scanned, it gets entered in just like it was entered on a keyboard. As you can see, this is simply just the raw barcode data. Nothing else has been done. And like I said, you can scan almost any barcode, even this packaging for an LED light bulb. Sometimes it takes a few tries. I've only touched on a little bit of the CueCat's history in this video, but I'll be including links in the description if you would like to learn more. I'll also be including an Amazon link in case you would like to buy one of these for yourself. Depending on who you buy it from, you can even get one of these CueCats that have already been hardware modded, so all you have to do is plug it in and start scanning. But as you've seen, this original unmodded CueCat works just fine with a little help from CatNip. That's all for today's video. If you've enjoyed watching this, please remember to share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Forgotten Tech.